Hi all, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to deal with the topic arithmetic mean. Now we are in the part 3 frequency data continuous case. Part 1 we have discussed about individual data. Part 2 we have discussed about frequency data in discrete case. Now part 3 we are going to discuss about frequency data in continuous case. So directly we can get into the example, as we have to calculate the arithmetic mean of the following data. There are different class and frequency given: class 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, and the corresponding frequency 1, 4, 3 and 2. And the solution, before that we have the formula as sigma fx by n x in order to find the x bar, that is arithmetic mean. So x bar equal to sigma fx by n. So we have the class 0 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, corresponding frequencies 1, 4, 3 and 2. Then the x is taken as the mid value of these class intervals. That means that these are the x values. In order to find the mid value, it is very easy. Add the lower limit as well as the upper limit, then divided by 2. That means 0 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2, it is 2. So that is the mid value of the class interval 0 4. Then the mid value, in order to find the mid value of 4 and 8, add these two: 4 plus 8, 12, 12 by 2, that is 6, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 by 2, it is 10, 12 plus 16, 28, 28 by 2, it is 14. This is how the mid values can be find out. Then we got the x values and also have the f values. Then we have to find the fx values. Just multiply f times x, that is 1 times 2, 4 times 6, 3 times 10, 2 times 14. The corresponding values are 2, 24, 30, 28. Now the total of sigma f, it is 10, and summation of fx is 84. Now directly apply into the formula in order to find the x bar, that is x bar equal to sigma fx over n, that is 84 by 10 equal to 8.4. So this is for finding the arithmetic mean in the case of continuous case by the method of frequency data. Because if the frequencies are given and class intervals are given, we can use this method. Here also there is a method called shortcut method. Shortcut method is also for finding the arithmetic mean, but if the numbers are very big or large, we can use this method. And the deviation d is assigned as x minus a divided by c. That means a is the assumed value or assumed mean, c is the class interval, x is the mid values. Then the formula for calculating am is x bar equal to a plus sigma fd by n times c. Now we can just go for an example. Suppose the weekly wages are 0, 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the frequencies are 3, 12, 20, 10 and 5. Then in column basis weekly wages, F values are here. Then the mid values, previously I had explained how to find the mid value of the class 0 10 can be find out adding the lower limit as 0 and the upper limit as 10, then by 2, that is 0 plus 10 by 2, it is 5. Then 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, that is 25. 30 plus 40 by 2, it is 35. Then 40 plus 50 by 2, it is 45. Then D can be written as x minus a by c. Here a is the assumed value that we are taking it as 25. Any values between 0 to 50 can be taken as a. The lowest value it is 0 and the highest value it is 50. Any values in between 0 and 50 can be taken as a. So here a is taken as 25, and c is the class interval. Class interval is the class width, that means the difference of upper limit and lower limit of any class. Here any class we are taking, the difference will be 10 minus 0, that is 10, 20 minus 10, that is 10, 30 minus 20, that is 10. Any classes we are taking, the difference of upper limit and lower limit is the class interval. That is here the class interval, it is 10. So we have to find the value of d, x minus 25, that is 5 minus 25 by 10. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 by 10, it is minus 2. Then 15 minus 25 by 10, that is minus 1. 25 minus 25 by 10, that is 0. 35 minus 25 by 10, that is 1. 45 minus 25 by 10, that is 2. Then the d values, we got the d values. Then we have to find the fd values, that is in the last column. That means 3 times minus 2, that is minus 6. 12 times minus 1, that is minus 12. 20 times 0, 0. 10 times 1, that is 10. 5 times 2, that is 10. Then we have to find the total of fd, that is 2, and total of f, that is an, equal to 50. Then now directly apply it to the formula, x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by n times c. Here a we are taken as 25, sigma fd we got it as 2, so 2 by 50 times 10, so 25 plus 0.4, that is 25.4. so that is the value of arithmetic mean, that is the average weekly wages of wage is 25.4. so that is about this method, that is shortcut method. So that's about today's class. Today we are discussed about the arithmetic mean based on the frequency data in continuous case. This is a part 3. This is just continuation of the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 it is individual cases, part 2 frequency data in discrete cases. Now we finished the part 3 frequency data in continuous case. So that's all about the concept of arithmetic mean. Please watch the part 1 and part 2, no, and only you will get the continuation on part 3. So that's about today's class. So today's class is over. Thank you. Meet again in the next class. Bye bye. See you.